Read, create, learn, play, and connect with the County Library in January. Winter reading is the perfect way to kick off the new year, reading, creating, learning, playing, and connecting to win exciting prizes. Track your progress with Beanstack and complete challenges to earn a free book from your local county library branch. From reading comics to cooking, attending online classes to making videos, winter reading offers something for everyone. Make this January one to remember with free books, new adventures, and fun with friends. Learn more at thecountylibrary.org/winter reading. Take a trip down the rabbit hole and discover a whimsical winter wonderland, exclusively for high school-aged teens. Go mad on the dance floor, play a game of royal flamingo croquet, and get lost in a night of nonsense and wonderment with your besties. Mark your calendars for the Teen Winter Ball in Wonderland, Friday, January 19th, and don't be late for this important date. Registration required at thecountylibrary.org/winterball. Big laughs and bigger discoveries await at the Big Play, where it's all about loud, messy play that sparks growth and exploration for little ones. Side-by-side play and turn-taking serve as the base for fun and learning in a safe and welcoming space that celebrates choice and socializing. And the learning isn't just for kids. Parents will discover the magic of play and its importance. Ideal for families with kiddos aged 0 to 5. See you at the library's Viridian Event Center on Saturday, January 27th from 10 a.m. to noon. Learn more about this huge playtime party at thecountylibrary.org/big play. And start your year with endless opportunities on our Learn page. Whether it's exploring academic journals with Academic Search Premier, mastering hands-on activities at Activity Corner, or preparing for exams with our extensive resources, including live homework help, the County Library has something you'll love. From language learning with Mango Languages to animated picture books with Tumble Books, our Learn page is a knowledge playground. Unleash your creativity with Creative Bug, explore historical newspapers with Chronicling America, or enhance your job skills with LinkedIn Learning. Discover, learn, and grow with us in the new year at thecountylibrary.org/learn. Thanks for joining us for Connect. We can't wait to read, create, learn, play, and connect with you in 2024.